White's objective here is to make a living shape. White already has a real eye and must find another one here on the corner. So obviously, black has a lot of weaknesses. There are 3 cutting points, right here, here, and here. And what should white do in this situation? Right. This doesn't work because black can respond with 2 and 4, and white is already dead. There is nothing else for white to play here. So that's why playing here first might work, right? If it's something like this, then this becomes a classic capture challenge for white. White can simply play here in number 5, and after this exchange, white can come into the corner, and after number 9, black cannot enter from either side, and white will succeed this way. But there's a problem with this sequence, and that is after number 5, black can actually just capture these 2 stones, and even after white captures at number 9, black can capture at number 10, and white actually cannot find another real eye. So what went wrong here? It's actually the sequence. White should cut here first. That's really, really important because playing this Atari is so tempting, right? But after this exchange, black can already make a living shape. Whereas if white cuts here first, black cannot just connect here this way. Now black still needs one more move here on the inside, but white can already make a living shape with 7 and 9. And that's why cutting here works. Black must capture this way, and once again, we're back with number 7. Overall, not that difficult, because it's all about experimenting with these cutting points, these Ataris. But the most difficult part is probably finding the order of 1, 3, 5, and 7. It cannot be any other way. Hope that made sense, and thank you for watching.